Oh my gosh, I should have that as the title. I'm not gonna have that as the title. Actually, I might.
Okay, no, this is a really bad idea.
Whenever I beat this and I upload it, I'm gonna like have that as the title for like a good 24 hours. If it does good, I'll keep it.
Extremeness is on you. Ooh, you're so
Nah, I'm not doing that.
couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses and Nicky like you told them and your face. Hee hee. Unzips your baggy as panto, baby. You so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your boogie woogie. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes you. Sazzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
Alright, we're having that as the title for like a good 24. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just beat an extreme demon. Okay.